Hey everyone, eGreen Channel here. Today, I'm excited to share with you one of my all-time favorite quick and healthy recipes. Let's talk about a mealtime hero, the Chickpea Salad Sandwich. This isn't just any sandwich, it's a game changer for anyone looking to eat well without spending hours in the kitchen. It's quick, it's healthy, and boy, is it delicious. Imagine biting into a sandwich that's creamy, tangy, and packed with flavor, yet so simple to make. We've all been there, short on time, but craving something tasty and good for you. Whether you're rushing between meetings, picking up the kids, or just need a fast meal, this sandwich has got you covered. That's where this sandwich comes in. With just a few ingredients and a little bit of prep, you can have a nutritious meal ready in no time. Chickpeas are the star here, providing a great source of protein and fiber. It's the perfect solution for a satisfying lunch or a quick bite on the go. You can enjoy it at your desk, in the park, or even on a road trip. It's versatile and travels well. What's not to love about a sandwich that takes minutes to make and fuels you up with goodness? The ingredients are simple. Chickpeas, a bit of mayo or yogurt, some fresh herbs, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Mix it all up, spread it on your favorite bread, and you're good to go. This isn't just any sandwich. It's a flavor-packed, nutrient-rich delight that will leave you feeling amazing. The combination of creamy chickpeas, zesty lemon, and fresh herbs creates a taste explosion in every bite. Get ready to ditch those processed lunches and embrace the goodness of a homemade chickpea salad sandwich. Not only will you save money, but you'll also be treating your body to wholesome, real food. So next time you're in a rush, remember this recipe. It's a quick bite that truly counts. One of the best things about this recipe is that it requires absolutely no cooking. That's right, folks, it's as simple as can be. Forget about slaving over a hot stove. This sandwich comes together in a flash. All you need is a can of chickpeas, some fresh veggies, and your favorite dressing. Simply mash the chickpeas, chop your veggies, and toss everything together. It's so easy, even a beginner cook can master it in minutes. No excuses, everyone can enjoy a healthy and delicious meal, even with a jam-packed schedule. Let's talk about the star of the show, chickpeas. These little legumes are nutritional powerhouses. They're packed with plant-based protein, making them an excellent choice for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to reduce their meat consumption. But that's not all. Chickpeas are also loaded with fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling full and satisfied for longer. They're a good source of essential vitamins and minerals too, including iron, folate, and magnesium. Trust me, your body will thank you for this nutritious treat. Ready to get your hands dirty? Cooking can be a fun and rewarding experience, especially when you know exactly what you're doing. Today, we're going to walk you through a simple yet delicious recipe that you can whip up in no time. So roll up your sleeves, put on that apron, and let's dive right in. Let's make a chickpea salad sandwich. This is a versatile and nutritious meal that's perfect for lunch or a light dinner. It's packed with protein, fiber, and a variety of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. Plus, it's incredibly easy to make, so even if you're a beginner in the kitchen, you'll have no trouble following along. First, drain and rinse a can of chickpeas. Chickpeas are a fantastic source of plant-based protein and are incredibly versatile. Make sure to rinse them thoroughly to remove any excess sodium and to improve their texture for mashing. Then, grab a fork or a potato masher and mash them until you reach your desired consistency. This step is crucial because it forms the base of your salad. You can mash them until they're completely smooth or leave some chunks for added texture. Some like it chunky, while others prefer a smoother texture. It's all about personal preference, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what you like best. It's all up to you. Cooking is an art, and you are the artist. Feel free to make this recipe your own by adjusting the texture to your liking. Next, add your chopped veggies. Vegetables add a wonderful crunch and a burst of freshness to the salad. I love the classic combination of celery and red onion, which provides a nice balance of flavors and textures. But feel free to get creative. Chopped cucumber, bell peppers, or even grated carrots would be delicious additions. The more colorful your salad, the more appetizing it will look. Or even grated carrots would be delicious additions. Carrots add a touch of sweetness and a vibrant color that makes the salad even more appealing. Now, for the dressing, a simple mix of mayonnaise and mustard works wonders. This combination adds creaminess and a slight tang that complements the chickpeas and vegetables perfectly. But you can use your favorite vinaigrette if you prefer a lighter option. Vinaigrettes can add a zesty flavor that pairs well with the fresh vegetables, or even a dollop of hummus for a Middle Eastern twist. Hummus adds a rich, creamy texture and a depth of flavor that takes this salad to the next level. Once you've added all your ingredients, give everything a good mix. Make sure the dressing is evenly distributed so that every bite is packed with flavor. Now, it's time to assemble your sandwich. Spread a generous amount of the chickpea salad onto your favorite bread. You can use whole grain, sourdough, or even a wrap if you prefer. Add some fresh lettuce and tomato slices for extra crunch and flavor. Finally, cut your sandwich in half and take a moment to admire your creation. Take a bite and enjoy the delicious flavors and textures. Congratulations, you've just made a chickpea salad sandwich. Enjoy your meal and don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family. Happy cooking! Section 5. Flavor Burst. Dressing up your chickpea salad. Here's where you can let your taste buds run wild. Chickpea salad is a blank canvas ready to be painted with the colors and flavors of your choice. The beauty of this recipe is its versatility. You can start with the basics and then add layers of flavor to suit your mood or the occasion. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavors and ingredients to create your own signature chickpea salad. Think of it as a culinary adventure. Add a dash of paprika for a smoky kick. Paprika not only adds a beautiful red hue, but also a subtle depth that can transform your salad, or some cumin and turmeric for warmth and depth. These spices bring an earthy, slightly peppery flavor that pairs wonderfully with the nuttiness of chickpeas. Fresh herbs like parsley, dill, or chives add a burst of freshness. They can brighten up the salad and add a layer of complexity with their unique flavors. You can even spice things up with a pinch of cayenne pepper. This will give your salad a nice, spicy kick that can wake up your taste buds, or a sprinkle of chili flakes. Chili flakes add a bit of heat and a touch of color, making your salad not only taste great but look appealing too. The possibilities are endless. You can also add other ingredients like lemon zest for a citrusy zing or a splash of balsamic vinegar for a tangy twist. The key is to balance the flavors and create a harmonious blend that excites your palate. So go ahead, open your spice cabinet, and start experimenting. Your perfect chickpea salad is just a few sprinkles away. Section 6. Beyond the bread, creative ways to enjoy chickpea salad. While a classic sandwich is always a winner, don't limit yourself. This chickpea salad is incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. Use it as a filling for lettuce wraps for a lighter, low-carb option. Pile it high on crackers for a satisfying snack, or serve it as a dip with crunchy veggie sticks or pita bread. Get creative and think outside the bread. Section 7. Leftovers? Lucky you, storing your chickpea salad. One of the best things about this recipe is that it keeps well in the fridge, making it perfect for meal prep. Simply store your chickpea salad in an airtight container and enjoy it for up to 3 days. It's a great option for packed lunches or quick dinners throughout the week. You can even double or triple the recipe to have plenty on hand for those busy days when time is of the essence. Section 8. Chickpea salad, your wallet's best friend. Let's face it, eating healthy can sometimes put a strain on the budget, but not this recipe. Chickpeas are incredibly affordable, especially when bought in bulk or canned. And since this recipe requires minimal additional ingredients, it's a great way to stretch your grocery budget further. So you can enjoy a nutritious and delicious meal without breaking the bank. Section 9. Ditch the meat, not the flavor. Embrace the chickpea revolution. So there you have it, the humble yet mighty chickpea salad sandwich. It's quick, it's easy, it's healthy, and it's packed with flavor. This sandwich is proof that you don't need meat to enjoy a satisfying and delicious meal. Embrace the power of chickpeas and give this recipe a try. You might just discover your new favorite lunchtime go-to. Happy cooking, everyone. Subscribe to the E-Green channel, the brainchild of Saeed Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life. Stay tuned for more interesting facts.